Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the website GeoGuessr.com. GeoGuessr is a super cool site that uses the same technology as Google Street View. And what it does is it drops you down at a random location. And using Google Street View, you have to guess where you are going up and down the street, looking at your surroundings to figure out where on Earth you are. And it's super cool and has some very interesting implementations in the classroom. Let's say you teach a Spanish class. And during that week, you have a chapter focusing on Spain. Well, this would be a really cool way to show your students what Spain looks like. So all you have to do is go to geoguessr.com right there in the URL. Go to the home page, scroll down to official maps here. Click on more official maps. Scroll down a little bit more, and hey, there's Spain. All you have to do is click play. And hey, what do you know? We're in Spain. The only thing about GeoGuessr that isn't as good as it used to be is GeoGuessr used to be completely free, but unfortunately now you get one free play a day if you make an account, which is free, or you can pay about $2.99 a month and get a pro account, and you get unlimited plays a day. One cool thing though you get with a pro account is you can make your own maps. So let's say if they did have a map on there that you thought you could use in class, you can make it yourself. Like let's say you want to do a map of not only Spain, but Spain, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, just to kind of like give a fun little quiz for your students to try and guess which of the countries you've been studying in Spanish class they are in, just by going off of the GeoGuessr, off their surroundings, which can be super fun and a good way to get your kids involved in class. I definitely recommend it. It's a blast. I found myself playing it just in my own free time. They have a bunch of different maps, not only for just countries, but if you wanted to do one for famous locations, landmarks, there's a bunch like that as well. It's super fun, super easy to use, and definitely give it a shot. I feel like a lot of people could bring it into their classroom and have a lot of fun and have a good time learning with their kids as well. But hey, that's about it. I think I've told you everything you need to know about using this site. It's really fun. Give it a try. I recommend it. Thanks.